Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. In this lecture, we will understand data types in Python. So let's continue with the Colab. In the previous lecture, we learned how to open Google Colab. Now let's continue. If you don't know how to open Colab, please watch my lecture on how to use Google Colab for Python. So let's start with the text file, this text cell. So I'll uh, paste it here. So what are data types? As you know, when we create a variable in Python, the value is stored somewhere in the computer's memory. For example, if I write x is equal to 5, so here x is the variable name and 5 is the value stored here. So what are data types? In Python, data type tells us what kind of value in a variable holds, such as integer, float, string, Boolean, and complex. The common examples are, let me paste here. So the common built-in data types are the int for integer. You understand integer are whole numbers such as 10, -3, and so on. Integers can be both positive and negative. Similarly, we have float, so which are decimal numbers such as 2.5, 0.01, and so on. And another data type is the string, where we have the something like text. So for example, I write in double or single quotes the Python, so it will be the string data type. Similarly, we have Boolean data type. You understand Boolean results into either true or false. So similarly, we have the complex data type. For example, we have 2 plus 3 J. Okay, so let me insert the code file. So for example, I write x is equal to, for example, 5. So to see x, I use the print command. So if I write x, print x, then it will show me the x. Similarly, if I write y is equal to, for example, -3.5, which is float, so I can see it by using the print command. So I write print, and if I enter it, it will show me the value of the y. Similarly, if I have example of, for example, string, so I can write, for example, name underscore language, and I write Python, right? So and then I write print name underscore language. Okay, so it will show me the Python. Similarly, the next data type is the complex numbers. You understand we have complex numbers and they're denoted with real and imaginary parts such as a plus j, b. So in Python, we have also similar notation. So I write z is equal to, for example, 5 plus j 12. Okay, so I can print it, print, for example, z. So J12 is not defined. You understand what mistake did I make? Can anyone tell? So basically, it is it should be 12J, okay, not J12. So slightly different than what we usually use in our daily life. So you see, this is, so these are different data types that we have done so far. Hopefully you understand. So to summarize, variables store values in the memory. Data types tell us what kind of value it is. Common data types are the integer. So for integer, we use the int, int, similarly float, string, Boolean, and complex. So in the next lecture, we will learn how to check the data type of any variable in Python using built-in functions. So that's all from my side. See you in the next lecture. And secondly, I'll upload this code on the GitHub repository. Okay, so again, the summary is also provided to you. So hopefully you understand. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. So that's all from today. See you in the next lecture.